Prapapapa ching 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 ching. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to the pre-market show today. I am Mandela, live and direct from our Bermuda trading offices. We have a little bit of news coming out in a matter of minutes, so we wanted to jump on a little bit earlier. There is, I wouldn't call it a slew of data, but we got a little bit of data coming out in the next few minutes. So if we look here, let's change the color on that. Let's try it that way. Okay. So all of these are coming out in a matter of seconds. So I think the main one here, well, main two is probably GDP, and then we got unemployment claims. So let's see if this does move prices at all. And we'll touch on the live chat in a second as well. Just keep in mind also that there is a delay between YouTube and real time. So you're probably going to see this a few seconds later. But that's okay. Just doing the best that we can with it. So data is still pending. If you are on Forex Factory, which is the site that we're using, you may see the prices have already appeared. So it looks like unemployment claims are lower than expected. That's good. That's a good thing. For the labor force, looks like we got higher GDP. So that's good news. Let's see if we got any reaction from our good friends over here at S&P 500. So we actually, if we zoom out a little, we're actually at the lowest price that we've seen since September 17th. So yeah, we haven't been down here since September 17th. So it's a decent sort of move down. I know some of our communities have been talking about the VIX being higher, and we've seen that. We've seen the VIX creeping higher, which was, I think, in many instances, an indication that there could be a change in tide, a change in mood. S&P doesn't look like it's really reacting much off of this positive labor data and GDP data. But we are down a little. We haven't seen many down days in a while. I do have a stat on that actually. I'll pull it up. Yeah, we're down about 93 points over the last 2 days. So pretty much from Tuesday's all-time high, we're down 1.40%. Haven't been down here since last week Wednesday. So let's see. We do have a ways to go if we're going to be talking about a proper pullback, proper correction. Usually corrections tend to be, a decent 5% correction. And I do have some notes here. We're not in the regular office, so we got stuff all over the place. But if we have a look here, I made a few notes, and I will have a look at the live chat in a second. But there's a few notes that we made about this current move, and by no means are we saying sell everything, or we're not getting bearish either. Where is it? I made a few notes. Basically, here we go. It's been 166 days. So 166 days, we've moved up 36%. And in recent days, that's a record. We haven't had a 5% pullback in 166 days. The last time that's happened was back in 2003. We had 157 days without a 5% pullback. So I think it's definitely a sign of a healthy market. It's long overdue. And so I think this was the last 5% that we got right here. But since then, it's been pretty smooth sailing to the upside. Let's see, this is the last one that we got. That was not even 5%, that one was 3.45%. So statistics are saying it's only natural for us to get a little bit of a cooling off period, and I think that's what we're seeing, at least the beginnings of it now. But we'll see. Very, very muted reaction from the data that we just got. Doesn't seem to be moving prices much at all. But just to highlight, the GDP was higher, 3.8% compared to 3.3% expected, and then unemployment claims were 218, which was lower than the expected 233,000 that was expected, so that's good. Durable goods also came in better than expected, as well as durable goods orders and core durable goods orders both came in better than expected. So let's just do a refresh on that. Okay, there we go. So for the most part, a good piece of data coming out this morning. Later on today, we have existing home sales coming out in just under an hour and a half from now, and then we have some Fed speak, Barr, Logan, and Daly. That's this afternoon. So we'll keep an eye on that. But just watching this pullback, I mean, it's a bit rare to see down days or down moves. The trend has definitely been up over the last 166 days. So yeah, 166 days without a proper 5% pullback, and that's, I think, the sign of a healthy market. It's when we start to see a little bit of profit taking, perhaps. Maybe some people realizing profits from the last few months. I think all-time highs is always a place where people like to take a little bit of profits off the table, and that's possibly what we're seeing right now. Okay, we're gonna look at the let's leave that here. So we're in Bermuda for a conference. There's a Lumina conference happening tomorrow, and we will be speaking at that. Let's pop that up here. Lumina Fest. So this is taking place tomorrow. Anybody interested, come check it out. It's going to be at the Shed in Dockyard, right here in sunny and warm Bermuda. We have a great lineup here. 19 Keys. I got to see him yesterday. They had a welcome event at Huckleberry, so it was really great to be invited to attend and to speak at this conference. We also have the Honorable Curtis L. Dickinson, JPMP. I have the pleasure of interviewing Curtis Dickinson in the keynote interview. So this is all going down tomorrow morning, this time actually. And then you've seen this guy before. I'm one of many impactful speakers that are going to be speaking. I actually spoke to Joe yesterday, had a good conversation, and also Dante Hunt was there. Sean was there as well yesterday. I saw Sylvia at the event. Dr. Carlton Crockwell as well was there yesterday, and I did see Ryan Robinson, parent chief. So good group of speakers, all going down tomorrow at the Lumina Financial Literacy Summit right here in sunny Bermuda. All right, who's on today? Looks like we have a good group of people. Everybody seems to be on time today, which is nice. We have, looks like, Kean Nils saying good afternoon, monitoring the news. Yeah. Supak's also here. General Mortala, guys, welcome to the pre-market show with Mr. Mandela. Thank you very much, General Mortala. Hamza1 says hi, guys. General Mortala is reminding everybody to please like and subscribe the video. We have Starboy, who is wishing everyone a good morning. Marley FX saying hello. Silent Mind is also in the office this morning. Enoch, also happy to be here. Welcome. Nice to have you with us. And we have Justina. Justina's also made a comment that the live chat is live and buzzing this morning, which is always nice to see. Yes, please make sure to like and comment and subscribe. Please also feel free to share the video with anybody who you think would benefit and enjoy the content that we're sharing. Also looks like Ben Trader is here, so welcome, Ben Trader. Let us know what you're looking at today, what you're trading. Kevlin Benjamin is also here, and making that known to everybody. Enoch is saying he will see y'all at the conference tomorrow. That's good. So that reminds me that for tomorrow's show, we're actually going to have to pre-record it, and it'll be basically probably recorded today at some point, because I need to be leaving the house at 7 tomorrow morning in order to get up to the conference in time. So for tomorrow's show, there won't be any giveaways or any prizes, but please, as always, tune in and show some love. So in order to get the prize giveaway today, we're going to ask everybody to please smash that like button. We do have a graphic for that somewhere. Smash the like button. I think this one will do. Is that the right one? That one's saying subscribe, so do that too. Subscribe as well. I think it's this one. Like and subscribe. Yeah, hit the like. Which way am I going? This way. There we go. I just find this hard to do. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. If we get the likes up to 15 today, we'll give away one $10,000 account courtesy of City Traders Imperium. So let's get the likes button going, and let's get the sharing going. I think that's attainable. Justina, if you can just let me know once we've hit that 15 like mark, if we can get to that threshold, and then we'll give away that account in the next 20 minutes. So we have 20 minutes to get the likes up to 15, and then we'll give away that account. Also, yeah, feel free to comment as well if you have something that you're looking at or questions that you have. We're always happy to address those. That's one of the benefits of being live, is we're happy to engage the live chat directly, and always looking to learn, find something new. I think it's important. Everybody's teaching everyone. So each one teach one, and if you have something that you'd like to share, that's what the live chat is for. We also have the Signature FX live chat as well. We have Rosario here saying hello bello, hello bello. I want to say it like an Italiano, hello bello. So hello Rosario, thanks for tuning in. We also have Asha, good morning, saying good morning to everybody. New news today is coming from Rosario as well. So yes, we did have a look at that news earlier. Wasn't much of a reaction, which it does happen sometimes. It could be a bit of news fatigue, or just some people call it a nothing burger. I gotta get my gotta get my Italian lessons going again. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Okay. So just having a look here again. Nothing much happening. If anything, it's continuing the trend overnight. So hitting, I guess, fresh lows here as we approach New York Open soon. So it's 9:43 here. We're actually going to take a very quick break, just to give everybody a chance to share the video with someone. Reminder to hit the like button if we get 15 likes on the CTI YouTube channel or the Signature FX channel. We'll be giving away one free CTI account, and that account is going to be in the value of $10,000. So before we get to that, let's take a quick pause. and we'll give everybody an opportunity to share the video and refresh themselves, and we'll be back right after this. And we're back. Welcome back to the pre-market show. It's Thursday, 25th of September, and I am Mandela Fubler. Okay, we got a comment here from Andrew. So Andrew's in the live chat today, planning to trade live here tomorrow at 9:30. All right, so check out the Signature FX YouTube channel tomorrow morning. And you'll get Andrew trading live and direct. So I'll be at the conference, but please jump on and support and have a look and see what Andrew's trading tomorrow, Friday the 26th of September. Hopefully your holiday is going well, Andrew, and you're enjoying your time in Spain. Always good to have Andrew in the live chat, and I do enjoy doing the shows on Friday with him as well. All right, so looks like we have the likes. Thank you, Justina. Looks like everybody's come together. So a few people have joined here. We have Shanks has joined as well. Shanks is very excited that we've seen the amount of likes that we need. SP King is also here. Kelvin Benjamin is in the office. Coco Trade is here as well. Barnabas, Blockwire Updates. That's a nice name. Blockwire Updates. We also have Tuana. Tuana is also with us today. And Great Energy. Christy's also here as well. Hello. So great group. We have been able to get the likes up, so that's always good to see. So we're going to be able to give away an account to one lucky winner. We're getting S&P moving right now. It's actually moving to the downside. So I'm not going to take this trade. We are in pre-market here. We're having a good month. We're traveling. We're in Bermuda. So I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, I don't want to get in at the lows. Especially, we said earlier, this is like a 7-day low. I think we could wait until the open. So that's what we'll do. Gold's been doing well also. Got a little bit of a pullback on gold over the week, over the last 2 days. So that's one that we track. Yeah, gold's starting to move lower again here. So we'll keep an eye on gold. Getting a comment here, the music is too loud. So if you can, I'll turn it down a little bit. If the music is too loud, also please let me know, and I can always make that adjustment. This is gold. So last few days, if we just zoom out a little bit, so this would be the all-time high in gold. It was moving up nicely, and yeah, it's been making some good moves. We'll actually put in an all-time high here. There we go. Okay. There we go. And that'll be 37.91. 16. Okay. Perfect. So we actually had a traders event yesterday that went extremely well. So thank you to everybody who came out and supported the traders event yesterday at the Robin Hood. We had a good group of people, some really great speakers. Jalen Smith, Shannon Thompson also shared a lot about his journey, and we also had Dulani, who spoke very well. They all spoke very well about their trading experiences, and it was just, I think, it was just a great opportunity to hear from people who are living, breathing this on a day-to-day basis, because I think a lot of us tend to do it alone, and something it reminded me of, that we don't have to trade alone, and that's part of the reason why we do these shows, is to create that that community and help everyone to know that you're not in this alone. So really enjoyed yesterday's event. Thanks again to everybody who came out and supported. So this was Tuesday, 23rd. Okay. All right, so that's the all-time high. It's being respected now. It's just good to know what we're dealing with. Here we go, and then we'll just take that and put that here. Okay. All right, so we're gonna get ready to give away the account in a hot second. Let's make that black. Okay. I need to get some AI to do this type of stuff, man. It's just like it's a bit tedious. It needs to be done, but it's a little tedious. Okay, so all-time highs being respected here. Gold, we're getting what I like to call lower highs and lower highs. So interesting to see if we do get a little bit of a push lower. I remember last week Friday's show, we did talk about gold. So interested to see how we react today. And yeah, I guess just have to wait and see. Okay. All right. So looks like plenty of likes, lots and lots and lots of likes today. So that's always good to see. Let's give away the account. So Sapak is saying, let me win. I'm coming from Discord chat. There we go. Yeah, let us know. How did you hear about the show? It'll be good to know. So if you heard about the show through Discord or X, or somebody shared it with you, please let us know. How did you hear about the show? That'd be good to know. Asha did attend, so Asha was at the event yesterday, and it was awesome. Thank you, Asha. Thank you very much. Maybe next time you can get up and say a few words, let everybody know your experience, firsthand experience, and how you are doing. Okay, so it is time now to give away that account. So this is gonna go to one lucky person. Instructions are very simple. If you are the winner, just pop your email in the live chat, and then we will have Justina reach out to you directly, and we do that for that's our procedure. So if you pop your email, the best email to contact you on, in the live chat, then we'll contact you shortly after the show today. Okay, so we're gonna pick one random person. We got lots of names in here. So Kian Nils, Sapak, General Mortala, Marley FX, Silent Mind, Starboy, Enoch, let's see who else is here. Ben Trader. We got Hamza One, Calvin Benjamin. Such a great group of people. So Andrew's also there at the office, boss. You should be on vacation. You should be on holiday. Hopefully you don't stay in the office too long. Tuan is in there. We have Aziz. Aziz FX is also here. So saying hello. You're a bit late. Yes, you are late. I think I'm going to have to write you up, Aziz. Blockwire updates. For some reason I like that name. Blockwire updates. I think I mentioned Enoch already. Shanks is also in the office. Got a full house. And Barnabas, we did mention Barnabas before. Skyboy. And somebody came in a little late as well. Christy was just right on time. Martin Lawrence is here. Nice to see you, Martin. Ment Light is also here, and we're gonna give away the prize now. Yeah. So just a reminder: if we don't get your email, you don't get the account. It's that simple. Okay. So the winner of the account is going to be Christy 8. Christy 8, congratulations. You've just won yourself a free $10,000 CTI account. Congratulations. Thank you for everybody who has watched today and who is locked in. We will be giving away an account next week as well. Next week we'll be back in London and we'll be giving away another $10,000 account. But for today, Christy, this account is for you. Please provide us with your email and we will get in contact with you directly. I think you have another name as well. I saw Christy Bernice. Yes, Christy Bernice. So if you are able to send us your Christy Bernice, if you are able to send us your email address, then we will get in contact with you directly. So it looks like your username is Christy8, and as soon as we get your email, then that's how you'll get your account sorted. Okay. Other than that, we are looking at probably not trading today. Today is, I think, preparing for the conference. Just probably gonna try and get a swim in today, and last night was a little bit of a late one, so I'm gonna take today to recover. But looks like things are starting to turn here this morning. So if we do trade, we probably will be looking at S&P after the open. Yeah, things are continuing to move lower today. After that news as well, that news didn't really do much for us. So yeah, we're continuing to kind of shrug along here. So definitely a change in tide. We can have a quick look at the commitment of traders. So I did speak with Jason Shapiro's team, and they explained the importance of the commitment of traders report remaining somewhat private, because it is a paid service. So I was able to negotiate with them to show one chart. So we can show one chart per show. If you want any more information about this commitment of traders, basically, if this is your first time seeing commitment of traders, it shows you what I would call the retail, or also referred to as the large speculators. Shows you what the large speculators are doing, which is getting short as we rally, and it also shows you the commercials here. So the commercials are the red, the large speculators are the blue, and the red is what we want to follow. So the red are usually right, so into this bit of a drop. The commercials were shorting, and they decided to flip long here, and then they stayed long. And you notice the blue is the speculators, who tend to be wrong most of the time, or at least 90% of them are wrong, and they're shorting as S&P is going up. They're trying to short. They're trying to basically catch the top, looking for that big short, and just getting their face ripped off, for the lack of a better term. So this is a very great tool, and if you want any more information about this, like I said, I spoke to Jason Shapiro's team, and they're happy for us to share one chart during the shows, but they do explain that this is a paid service. So if you would like more from the Commitment of Traders, check them out at thecrowdedmarketreport.com. It's run by a market wizard, Jason Shapiro, and you can get basically all the charts. So they do one for there's a Dow Jones, a Nasdaq, Russell. You can look at oil as well. They do all the energies, natural gas, metals. So they have a gold one, platinum. So basically all the futures contracts, all the fixed income, US dollars on there, and then you can get the currencies. So Australian dollar, pound, Canadian dollar, yen, euro, and Swissy. All Commitment of Traders are there. These are the softs. So you got your coffee bean. I don't trade those personally. Livestock, so your cattle, grains, so corn. Bitcoin's also provided, and then they also have volatility as well. So check them out, thecrowdedmarketreport.com, and you can get these either directly to your trading view, or you can also they have a plethora of other services that you can get from them. So check them out. Everything's on their website, crowdedmarketreport.com. Brilliant. So yeah, I like to look at this, and it kind of gives me an indication that the large speculators, or at least confirmation, large speculators really starting to short, and the price goes up. It happens every time. I guess the tough part about the report is that it only comes out on Friday, about 30 minutes before the market closes, and it's the data from that Tuesday, the preceding Tuesday. So not great on a day-to-day basis. So not good for, I guess, shorter term positioning, but it definitely gives you a tone, a market tone, and the positioning, I think, is very important. Having an idea of where the large speculators are, so that you're not following them, you're not falling into their trap, or the trap that they're in. All right, that's time. We're at the top of the hour here. It's 10 o'clock in Bermuda, 10:02, and this is Mandela. My name is Mandela. I've enjoyed doing this show. Thanks to everybody who has joined. Really appreciate you kicking it with us today. You could be doing anything. You could be doing absolutely anything, and your support really keeps us going. So thanks very much for watching. So we had, in the Signature FX chat, we had Asha Ludwig. We also had Rosario, who is watching as well, and Andrew, our partner in crime and our partner in Signature FX. He'll be on tomorrow in the morning to do a live trading session. So looking forward to that as well. And Asha said that she enjoyed the live event last night. It went well. So thanks again for attending our live. From the CTI side, we got a great group. Enoch is there, Hamza, Silent Mind, Shanks, all came on time. SP King, Calvin Benjamin, Starboy, Coco Trader, Barnabas. I like Barnabas as well. That's a nice name. I like that. Blockwire Updates is one of my favorites. We have plenty of people who came late as well. Special thank you to Justina, who is definitely keeping the energy going in the live chat, which is always helpful. Congratulations again to Christy. Hopefully you've posted your email and we can get you your $10,000 account. Congratulations on winning that. Martin Lawrence is also hoping that he wins. So maybe next time, Martin, you can be the lucky recipient of a $10,000 CTI account. Tuan is in the office. Sapak, Marley FX, Kelvin Benjamin, Onagba wanted to win as well. Please make sure that you're watching our subsequent shows so that you can get in. And let me see, did we get Christy's email? So did we get her email? She's saying that she put her email in. This is funny. Okay, so I'm hopeful that we did get her email. But that's it. That's it for today, everybody. Looking forward to speaking at the Lumina Fest tomorrow. So tomorrow's show is going to be pre-recorded, and we'll be back live next week. But Andrew will be on tomorrow at 9:30 doing some trading. So make sure you tune in for that tomorrow. From all of us here at Signature FX and on behalf of City Traders Imperium, I want to say thank you very much for watching our pre-market show. And until next time, happy trading. Take care, everybody.